Hey, what's going on, guys? It's number 154. Welcome back to another episode of my videos. We are making our first vlog. What? Yeah, it's our first vlog, remember? Remember. And we are going out. This is my house, and I'll make another vlog for you guys later to show you my house. And yeah. Work around. I'm.
This house is visited again.
There's two cameras here. It's so annoying. Wait, do this. Hello. Lol.
We're waiting for the elevator. I'm just gonna pause it until the elevator comes.
Yeah. So see you guys.
Here now.
Yeah, we're guys, we're here. Oh, wait. I think the brightness is okay now. Look at this. This is you guys. TV. It's so stupid. It's so girly. Look at that. Do you see it? It's so stupid. Ah.
So weird.
Jeez. I'm just kidding.
We're just gonna get ice cream and then I'm gonna head back to church. I'm gonna make another vlog with my Chinese teacher. She wants to go with me to buy. He likes toys and he likes games. He likes League of Legends. So yeah, really he does. So he wants to go with me to buy some toys with him, and yeah. So stay tuned for that one. So.
And you could also stay tuned for
But he
making.
might not come. So
Yeah, and
but high chance he could come.
okay, we're out the. We're going.
We're gonna see his vlogging immediately. So
Hello. Oh my gosh.
so nice. See, you should be shy for this.
Yep.
You guys, sorry. There's a bunch of
Hi.
people around us.
Oh no,
Quite weird.
the sunlight.
Guys,
Is it good? Guys, is it good?
I think it's really bright.
Sorry guys. Come on.
So dumb.
Sorry guys. Go to Family Mart. Now.
Everyone's looking at us.
Whatever. I don't care. It's so bright. I'm sorry guys.
Get out.
Okay. We're back. We're gonna get some ice cream. Oh yeah. What do you guys like? Show me in the video. Comments below. Write in the comments below. What do you like? Ice cream, vanilla, or
me.
vanilla ice cream?
Excuse me. Without money.
You didn't bring money?
I did.
Oh, I forgot mine. Look at the 20 pesos.
Can we have
2 ice cream cones.
2 ice cream? 50.
Okay.
Give me my money, guys.
I stole this money. Look at all those chips. Look at this. What, this is BBQ overload. Oh. I'm gonna get the chocolate vanilla one. What? You take. No. Hold this. Okay.
So what should I do?
No. What do you guys think? This is chocolate.
I'll get...
What's
this?
Oh, that's just vanilla. What do you guys like? Write it in the comments down below. Chocolate?
Guys, I'm gonna pause it because... Wait, can you hold it for me?
Yeah, wait. Guys, I'm gonna pause this video. What?
We're gonna do it each for us.
Oh, okay, so
You pause it and then...
okay, I'll pause it, guys. Wait for a second. Okay, guys, we're back. Seeing got this delicious vanilla sticky ice cream. I'm gonna get my delicious chocolate vanilla ice cream. Get it down. Go down. Oh no. Oh. Okay, perfect. Look at this. So good. Oh wait, this. Shake the door like a boss.
Oh my gosh, guys. Now, can you go with me to the door? And then we stay to talk until my grandma comes. By the way, guys, don't forget about me. I live with my grandparents. I won't tell why. If you want to, I'll put the link description below in my drawing.
Yeah, watch your drama, real life story. Fun, kind of. What? I'm gonna put my lips all over that ice cream.
So guys, from
Ooh, look.
here to this church is the door.
If you guys want to check out and go to the same church as us, you have to be Korean.
Yeah.
And it's
you should be-
Mokyang Church in Pasig City, the Philippines.
That's Emerald, guys. That's where.
Yeah, this is Emerald. Look at that. It's so high. This is my first vlog. This isn't for you,
Oh,
right?
look at that, look at that.
Oh, look at that. That's Pork Chateau.
So we're near. This is.
Yeah, here. Oh, you can't really read it because it's upside down. Oh. We're going to
This
this.
is my first vlog, actually.
No,
I never uploaded a vlog.
Dad did on the prank thing. You pranked your.
What?
It's 7. You did succeed.
Thank you.
Oh. Elevator.
That's not a vlog. It's a prank.
Oh. Well,
Prank and vlog is just different. Prank is like literally pranking someone. Vlog is like doing your daily life thing, vlogging.
some of you guys never saw my face, so here.
No,
Your face.
they did. Face cam.
Oh yes. Holy so. Oh, it's so loud. Sorry, guys.
That's where. You're already attended, so I'm just waiting for our parents. But this is
Not my parents.
wait.
Oh,
Wait, guys.
there's
Wait,
our
pause it.
guardian's brother.
Their sisters. They're big, guys. They're big.
So what should we talk about today? A little bit. Closer. Closer.
Look at this, guys. Look at this.
Well, I'm gonna hold it like this. Okay, good.
Guys, I'm going to 1,000 views. 1,000 views special because I'm almost 10,000 views.
Really? Nice. You should have a celebration with me and your brother.
If you want proof, this is the proof.
Oh, sorry. Why?
I could connect the video to them. With this video show. Wait,
Wait,
I'll tell
guys.
them.
Wait, guys.